If we click on a particular cell, then a new cell info window would appear here with information related to that cell from the text file. If we click on another cell, like here for example, of course then the information in this window would change according to that cell. We can see some basic information here like cell ID, site ID, azimuth, antenna height, mechanical and electrical tilt, site name, state, operational state of the cell, scrambling code, RNC, then an arbitrary field node and the size of that cell on the map. 1 unit is about 100 meters. The message window also shows from which table is selected cell. All UMTS cells here presented are related to layer 1, meaning the carrier 1 of UMTS, and the table name for that layer is T01_WCELLS. If the other two carriers were present, the names would be T02_WCELLS and T03_WCELLS. If you want to change some information for a particular cell, you can select that cell, like this one, and choose the menu UMTS cells, change, edit selected cell. Now we can change some information if we know. For example, we can change site name here to test, azimuth, height, let's say 50. Then what we can also change if we know is, let's say, primary scrambling code like 76, mechanical tilt 0, electrical, let's say 4 degrees, RNC, let's say RNC 1, delete the node. And for example, we can change the azimuth from 0 to 30. And when we click on OK, we'll see that the azimuth is changed. And when we click on cell info on the cell, then the new cell info window would show the updated information. The default color for enabled cells is blue, and for disabled is gray. If we want to test that, we can once again choose this menu and change the state from 1 enabled to 0 disabled. Click on OK, and we can see actually that the cell color has changed, as well as state information in the cell info window. Another useful thing for beginners is we can toggle layers of several technologies. For example, if we click here once on this button, then UMTS layers would be gone, and instead of them we can select layers of GSM if they exist. The same holds for LTE cells and CDMA cells. For this test project we have created 4 sites for all 4 technologies, every one of them having 3 cells.